Greg, I can't believe it's been close to 9 years together. I, of course, remember the very first moment we met, to where you stumbled up to me, reached out your hand, and said, "I'm Greg Bronson, and I assure you the party's not over." I didn't know it in that moment, but you were right, because a party it has been ever since.
Sierra, you have made me the happiest man in the world. You are beautiful and you are smart. You are kind and you are funny. I'm truly honored that today I get to call you my wife. When we first met, I promised you that the party wasn't over. But today I promise you this. I promise to cherish and respect you. I promise to care for you, and I promise to protect you. I promise to always be there for you. But when I am not, I promise to keep my phone charged so you can reach me. I promise to always be the best me, and I promise to love you endlessly, even more than my mom's spaghetti. I promise loyalty like you've never seen, and I promise to keep your bathtub drain clean. All jokes aside, I am not perfect, and I cannot promise that our journey will be problem-free. However, I can promise that together we will overcome anything.
I feel so incredibly blessed to have this day with you, to celebrate our love today and each day forward. I love this life we've built so far, and I'm so excited for what else it has in store for us in these next chapters to come. And with that, Greg Bronson, I assure you, the party still is not over.
A wedding is such a wonderful occasion, filled with hopes, dreams, and excitement. We've been invited here today to share with Greg and Sierra a very important moment in their lives. In the years that they've been together, their love and understanding of each other has grown and matured. And now they have decided to live their lives together as husband and wife. May the love you hold for each other continue to mature, that your life together may be a source of strength and inspiration to the community, family, and the wider circle of the world. Love one another and you will be happy. It's as simple and as difficult as that. Greg, you may kiss your bride.
As most know, Greg's mother, Yolande, passed away last September of cancer. And although her physical presence is not here, we know she's with us on her special day today. We would usually give wedding favors as gifts. What we are doing instead, we are taking that money and donating it. We are donating it in Yolande's memory to our local charity, the Halo Foundation. To love, family, friends, and to Yolande.